Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to turn off or restart your phone. Now for the first method, you have to just press and hold your power button, and that's it. Here you can see power off and restart option. You can turn off or restart your phone from here. Now just go back. If you cannot turn off or restart your phone using the side button or power button, just open up your settings app and then tap on the search icon and then search for side button. That's it. Then just tap here and then tap on long press option. Here you can see two options, digital assistant and power off menu. For the long press, you have to just select power off menu. Otherwise, you cannot turn off or restart your phone using the side button or power button. And that's it. Now for the second method, just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this icon, and here it is. You can also turn off or restart your phone from here. Just tap on restart and restart again. Now the phone will take restart, so just give it a moment, and the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone, and that's it. And that is how you can turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.